Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam. إن الذين فرقوا دينهم وكانوا شيعا لست منهم في شيء إنما أمرهم إلى الله ثم ينبئهم بما كانوا يفعلون. Translation: Surely those who divide their religion and become sects, you are not with them in anything. Their affairs are only with Allah, then He will inform them of what they used to do. In the previous ayahs, we studied about the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that included do's and don'ts, and whoever follows the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be on the straight path, will be on the Surah Al-Mustaqim, and that a straight path is the only path that goes to the paradise. That is the only path that is prescribed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And whoever takes an exit from this straight path and go to the side paths, he will become astray, and he will leave the straight path and will make different groups and different sects. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said in this ayah that, O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, you have no business with them. Whoever have made sects and new paths from the straight path, from the Sirat Mustaqim. The straight path, the Sirat Mustaqim, was the same for all the prophets and was in all the books of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. However, the Quran and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam brought the final commandments of this straight path. Quran and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam has brought the completion of the straight path, and the Quran and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam have testified that all the books of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and all the prophets were at the straight path, and now the straight path has become bayan and clear for everyone. And this book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Quran, will never be changed and will be present for all the generations. And whoever in whatever time after Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam would like to find the straight path, they should follow the Quran and the Sunnah, the way of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and they will find the straight path. So whoever is making new ways and getting away from the straight path, or making their own sects, they're making their own groups, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is commanded to declare that he does not have any business with them and leave their business on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is Al-Alim. He knows each and everything, and He will take care of these people who are making sects and different groups in Islam, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will punish them, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows everything, and He will remind them in the hereafter what they used to do. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Oh Allah, please make us firm on the Sirat Mustaqim, on the straight path, and save us from all the divisions in Deen. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.